Today, I am reviewing the Furbo 360 degrees dog camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's break down what makes the Furbo 360 degrees dog camera one of the most popular and trusted pet monitoring devices on the market. At its core, this Furbo model is a smart indoor camera with a full 360-degree rotating view, giving you complete coverage of any room. Thanks to the full HD 1080p live view and color night vision, you can see your dog clearly, day or night. Whether your pup is lounging on the couch or getting into mischief, you'll always have a clear visual on what's happening in real time. But what sets Furbo apart from basic pet cams is its AI-powered alert system called Furbo Nanny. With a paid subscription plan, Furbo becomes much more than just a camera. It starts to understand your pet's behavior. You'll get instant smart alerts for barking, movement, emergencies like potential intrusions or home hazards, and even unusual activity. So if your dog is barking excessively, pacing the room, or seems distressed, you'll know right away and be able to respond quickly. And yes, there is a subscription requirement to unlock these features. To activate the Furbo 360 degrees camera, you'll need to choose a Furbo Nanny plan, starting at around $6.99 per month with a 3-month minimum, or $5.75 per month if you pay annually. While some may see this as a downside, the ongoing service unlocks powerful features that transform this camera into an intelligent pet sitter and security device in one. Once you see the real-time alerts and video recaps, the subscription often pays for itself in peace of mind. Speaking of video recaps, Furbo's app lets you review daily highlights, save and share clips, and even track behavioral patterns over time. This is especially helpful if your dog suffers from anxiety, has medical conditions, or is in training. You can even share important footage with your veterinarian to make smarter decisions about your dog's health. But Furbo isn't just about monitoring. It's also about staying emotionally connected. The two-way audio feature allows you to talk to your dog from anywhere. Whether you're calming them down, giving commands, or just saying hello during a long day away from home, your voice will bring comfort. And perhaps one of the most fun and unique features? The treat toss. That's right. You can reward your pup remotely using the Furbo app. Just open the app, tap the treat icon, and Furbo will launch a treat into the room. It's a great way to reinforce positive behavior, relieve boredom, or distract your dog during a moment of stress. Setting up the Furbo is also incredibly simple. Just plug it in, download the Furbo app, create an account, connect it to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Note that 5 GHz is not supported, and you're ready to go. The connection is secured with bank-level encryption, and Furbo recommends turning on 2-step verification for extra security. It's a quick process, and once you're set up, everything runs smoothly from your smartphone. This model is especially ideal for first-time Furbo users. It's packed with smart features, easy to operate, and fully supported through the Furbo app. Just keep in mind, if you already have an older Furbo and want to add this one, you may need to upgrade all your devices to the Pro plan. Now, let's talk about how real users feel. With over 40,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, the Furbo 360 degrees dog camera consistently ranks among the top pet monitoring devices on the market. In fact, it's currently number 10 in pet cameras and monitors, and it sits comfortably within the top 1,000 in pet supplies overall. In conclusion, the Furbo 360 degrees dog camera is more than just a camera. It's a full-service dog nanny, home security tool, and emotional lifeline for pet parents. With its intelligent alerts, rotating HD camera, treat dispenser, and real-time interaction features, it's built to give you control, connection, and complete peace of mind. If you want to stay truly close to your pet, no matter how far you are, Furbo might just be the smartest investment you can make.